And to the rest of what's been happening on the local share market now. And earlier I spoke to Charlie Aitken from Bell Potter. Well, Charlie Aitken, it's your kind of day, really. Clouds still gathering over Europe. So why such a substantial rally on the Australian share market?
Well, I mean, yeah, I've got to say, Tiki, I do enjoy the up days more than the down days. But I mean, look, all that happened really is we got back what we lost on Friday. There was a slightly better tone to the market. Banks leading the way. A couple of headlines that Europe might be getting its act together slowly. Dow futures up 150 points, but I'll put in brackets that we've had a lot of these sort of Monday hope rallies only to be by Friday have lost it all. So fingers crossed is a little bit more substantial.
All right. Well, a surprise departure from BHP Billiton in the guise of its chief financial officer. What would investors make of that?
Well, it's interesting. I mean, I'd put the disclaimer in that Alex Vannerslow is a personal friend of mine. I think this actually is a loss for BHP. I mean, Alex has guided the company through the GFC and through whatever you want to call this at the moment. BHP in tremendous financial shape.
Well, you'd know the inside story then on why he's departed.
Well, I don't know if I know the inside story, but I'd suspect that Alex perhaps has ambitions to run a company himself. There's no doubt Alex has the ability to run a large public company. I mean, he is probably regarded as the best CFO in the world of a mining company at the moment. Obviously, Mr Kloppers is well entrenched as the CEO of BHP, and I suspect maybe Alex wants to go and run a large company, and he's Brazilian. You never know, it might be Vale out of Brazil, so who knows.
Still with BHP, and Marius Kloppers has had a bit to say about Europe and China today, hasn't he?
Yes, Marius has been pretty cautionary. Fair enough. It's not wonderful out there at the moment, but they're still selling everything they can produce. I mean, BHP is in a wonderful position. If you're going to be anyone in this downturn, you want to be BHP. You know, they're the lowest marginal cost of production, the best margins, the strongest balance sheet, the longest asset lives. So Marius was a little bit downbeat today, but he's in a wonderful relative position.
On the other hand, it's been a rather poor day for Woodside Petroleum. What's going on there?
Well, I think investors just getting fed up with Woodside. I have to say I am a bit too, Tiki, to be honest. Even our firm put in a 20% downgrade to Woodside earnings on the back of poor production growth guidance on Friday. Stock's now lost about 8% in 2 days, has done badly versus the index again today. I think it's just a genuine belief by the market that growth has been delayed for another year, and I think we might see Woodside, in the doghouse for a little while longer.
Charlie Aitken, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Tiki.